David with the Shepherd School, and I've got a fiction book for you today, and it's kind of hard to find. It's called Defiance. If you're a prepper and you want some reading, some fiction stuff, 1 second after, lights out, those sorts of books, this is a pretty good one. This one is based upon kind of a Red Dawn scenario. The Russians come in and they take over America, and it doesn't really talk a lot about the tactics that they used, other than they use some sort of biological or chemical agent to wipe out the Pentagon and the Capitol all at in a sneak attack. But so basically this book is about one guy who was arrested and thrown into a re-education camp somewhere in America, and how he got out and how he started a resistance. And I don't want to give away the book, but I'll tell you why I like this book. Besides, the reading is pretty easy read, even though it looks to be pretty big. Most prepper books, they kind of have this whole, here's the disaster, here's the hero, and the hero, wins the day, and it's all, sunshine and rainbows there at the end. And they typically look back, from a historical, here this guy survived, and he looks back on it. And it's kind of a very predictable book. That one is not predictable at all. And it's probably a little more realistic. And so, if you've got this idea that come the end of the world, I'm going to be the man and everybody's going to come follow me, that gives you a contrarian view, gives you a different view, and I think it's worth that, just so you can see that it's not always sunshines and rainbows. But anyway, until next time, you can always catch us online at www.prepperbookshelf.com.